If you're a diamond, turquoise, this is for you. Mark Morris, toldtobethebroke.com, toldtobethebroke.com. Worked at a casino for several years, and I know some things like I want you guys to do. Some of you have spent $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to get to these high card levels, and then you want to quit when you're going through a bad streak. The reason I started this student loan program was I wanted you to get a way to direct that money that you would spend for the hotel or going out to strip clubs when you're at the casino, $200 to $1,000. You donate that money, you get that money out your pocket, so you still feel the pain of losing the money, but you helped out the students, you helped me out, but also you kept your comps, you kept your status, you kept your card level. Subscribe. Reason why, because just when you quit a casino, you're not going to get that same card level all the time. They're going to want some type of financial commitment tying to your bank account or something. So that's the reason I started the student loan repayment program. First, it was $200 because that's what the cost of maybe a night, a room at a Motel 6 or a room somewhere and eating. Reason I increased it to $1,000. Some of you, I realize, stay 2 and 3 days, and you go on a losing streak, and that's when you lose. That's when you quit. Not that one day you stay there, but you hit the second or third thinking you lose your discipline, you start chasing money. That's why I set up this program for you. Get rid of $200, get rid of $1,000. Same as when I gave my niece $100 for the uniforms, because I know I can go to the market and get money, but I got to get my discipline together. The same as you can go back to the market, get another $2,000 to $1,000, but you got to get it out of your pocket so you don't have it. It's gone. Give it to the students. Now you're focused. Now you're refocused. Now you're making money again. Make a good decision. So send that $200 to $1,000, P.O. Box 540, San Bernardino, California 92402. Let me know if you believe what I'm saying. I've worked at casinos. I've seen people win money. I've seen people lose money. I've seen people quit with the highest card levels and think you're going to go to another casino and you think they're going to give you a deal. 1.1 trillion in credit card debt. That's why I'm trying to save you, man, because you may go into a worse situation. Subscribe.